It works so well, actually, that you may end up having a problem of being thin. That's what happened with me. This works so well that pretty soon the appetite disappeared, the hunger disappeared, all these cycles of eating, indulgence, and then feeling guilty disappeared. And I noticed that I would forget to eat. Forgot to eat breakfast, forgot to eat lunch. I would get busy with the activities of the day and totally forget eating. Once in a while it would come to you in the beginning, because it's a habit, that it's mealtime. And then what you do is you sit down and you let go resisting that the same as you did the sensations. And you'll notice that the idea that I must eat breakfast, I must eat lunch, I must eat dinner, these are cultural conditionings. They don't have any reality to them. It's just as easy to not eat all day. And I've actually gone days without eating and didn't even notice it. One time I went from Monday to Thursday. I was so busy with activities. And on Thursday I suddenly realized, I don't think I've eaten the last couple of days. And sure enough, I hadn't. And the family began to complain that I was too thin. So then I had to consciously be aware that it's necessary to eat and sort of reprogram myself a little bit back into eating.